Good morning, I am Dale Crabtree. I am the Communications Director here at the Edna Martin Christian Center, and I am sitting with...
Amina Pearson. I'm the Consultant for Community and Economic Development at the Martindale-Brightwood Community Development Corporation.
And Amina's got a new program coming in March that she'd like to tell us about. Go ahead.
Definitely. We're so excited to bring the dfree program to the Martindale-Brightwood community. It's a debt-free movement, and we have it here. It's a 8-week series which we'll be offering here in Martindale-Brightwood at 37 Place.
Mm-hmm. This isn't the first time that this program has been done. Can you tell us about the history of the program?
Yes, this program was started 5 years ago. Actually, it was 2015. Dr. Suri started this program, implementing it through churches, and then a sorority took hold of it, which is Delta Sigma Theta sorority, and the alumni chapter here has partnered with Martindale-Brightwood Community Development Corporation to bring it to the community. And the goal is really to decrease debt. By 2020, they want to eliminate at least $1 billion in debt. So by organizations presenting this program to communities, we can accomplish that and lower the poverty level.
Mm-hmm. So this has been done around the country. Why here? Why is this important for this neighborhood?
I'm glad you asked why here. This is the 46218 area code, and there have been sessions that have been offered through churches here. Eastern Star has done a debt-free program for a few years. Overcoming Church has done this debt-free program, but you cannot oversaturate the neighborhood. When you think about the poverty level here in Martindale-Brightwood, you think about how we're developing and growing and changing. We want to be able to teach people how to become debt-free and then contribute to the community by developing their family's emergency fund and building wealth for their families to just make sure that the community as a whole is thriving.
So your target audience is people who are already deeply in debt. Would you expect to see people who actually make a lot of money coming to this program?
Yes. Throughout the times that the program is offered, there are people at various levels of income attending. I attended myself at the church that I go to, Eastern Star, and there were people of various incomes, and it's very helpful. As I mentioned, it's definitely not the income that is what we're gearing this towards. It is changing the mindset of everyone, because there are people who make over $200,000 who still live paycheck to paycheck. As we say, the more we make, the more we spend. And we just need to spend it wisely, learn how to save, and definitely have an emergency fund.
Anybody can overspend.
Very much so.
Okay. So it's a great program. Is there a cost to it?
We're presenting this free this year. There is a cost for the materials, but thanks to our gracious sponsor, Centier Bank, they are paying for the materials for the class, which is this book, and it comes along with a workbook. And then we're also going to provide a light dinner and free childcare. We don't want to have a reason for someone not to attend because they couldn't have childcare or they didn't have time to get dinner. So we want to make sure that everyone who wants to attend is able to.
Great. So, and it's going to be how many weeks?
It is an 8-week program.
Starting
March the 5th.
That's a Tuesday night?
A Tuesday night.
So from what time to what time?
It starts at 6 o'clock and ends at 7:30.
Okay. And if someone wants to get involved, how will they get involved?
You can definitely call the number on the screen, which is 317-250-4210. And this is the flyer that you may have seen throughout the neighborhood, but it's also going to be in our local Scoop magazine. Mm-hmm. So take a look to see the titles of the workshop, and please RSVP to save your spot before March 1st.
Before March 1st. Do you have people already signed up for this program?
We do. We have space for 50 people, and right now we have about 20 people signed up. So please don't hesitate. Give us a call and reserve your space.
Mm-hmm. This event and all the other events going on in the neighborhood are listed in a monthly event calendar that we publish here at Edna Martin Christian Center. It will be too late, probably, to sign up for this program by the time you see the March calendar, so don't wait. Sign up now. For all the other programs, please check out Edna Martin Christian Center's website and find this event calendar. Okay? Amina, thank you so much for coming in.
Thanks, Dale.
And we wish you the very best, and we hope the best for our neighborhood, too.